Hey guys, welcome to Wrestling Days and welcome to an excited Wrestling Days because I have got the current issue of WWE Kids magazine and I absolutely love this magazine. So much cool stuff in it. I love it so much. I've already opened it, right? I know I should have waited. I didn't wait, but I had to get this gift out. This month, you get one of the best free gifts I have ever seen. It's absolutely fantastic. Here it is, a WWE Universal Championship belt buckle. How awesome is that? It's about the same size as the palm of my hand. It's huge. Like, it's really cool. Sadly, I don't have a belt to actually put it on, but it's still awesome. And like, you just pop the back off. That bit then will clip on to whatever you want that to clip onto, and then you attach the Universal Championship belt buckle on top of it. That thing is absolutely incredible. It's it's big, it's detailed, it looks so cool. So I had to get this out. I had to have a look at it, and it did not let me down. So as well as that, you obviously get some posters and the magazine and everything. So first up, here's the poster. The poster, oh man, it taught me something. I was learning lessons. Great poster there of the boss, Sasha Banks. But that wasn't what taught me something. On the back, look at this. You've got like champions. And a list of champions. Here you can see Ric Flair has won 33 different championships. The Undertaker, only 15? Only 15 championships for The Undertaker? But what really surprised me about this, it says here, The Undertaker is only a 4-time WWE champion. If you think he's been wrestling since 1990 in the WWE, he's only a 4-time champion. Yes, he's a 6-time tag team champion, and he's won the Royal Rumble, and he was undefeated for 21 matches at WrestleMania, but still only a 4-time champion. I can't believe it. I thought he'd won it like a million times. So that taught me something. So I love this poster. And then in the actual magazine, there's more awesomeness. Check this out. There's a breaking news section, right? And in this breaking news section, there's news in here which I hadn't even heard about. So apparently Samoa Joe is going to be in a brand new Transformers TV show. He's going to be playing a robot monster called Predaking. I never knew that. I've not seen that reported anywhere. But that is cool. And get this as well. Just underneath there, Kofi Kingston, right? Congratulations to Kofi Kingston, who's been in WWE for 10 years. And according to WWE Kids magazine, for 2.5 of those years, he has been a champion. A United States champion or a tag team champion. I can't remember if he was Intercontinental champion. I know he's never been WWE champion. But still, a quarter of the time Kofi Kingston has been in WWE, he's been a champion. I never knew. So how awesome is that? Loads of facts like that in WWE Kids magazine. There's loads of competitions, great posters. Like, I don't know if you can see, there's the top part there of last year's WrestleMania poster. So you get all of that poster. Obviously, you have to take the magazine apart. You can see the top part there of, is that WrestleMania 29? Maybe 28? John Cena versus The Rock. So that poster's in there as well. Look, there's a colouring John Cena competition as well. There's the poster from, I think that's WrestleMania 31. There's a whole WrestleMania behind the scenes section, which is really cool. WrestleMania Quiz. Okay, here we go. The first ever WrestleMania took place in what year? Okay, A, 1991. B, 1985. or C, 2010? I don't think so. C, 2010. So we might reveal the answer at the end of this video. The answer's B. It's 1985. So yeah, that's in there as well. Look, colouring, Braun Strowman. That is so cool. You can even put your own little logo on his top. Like, get these hands. Andre the Giant, WWE legend Andre the Giant went 15 years without losing. Wow, that means Asuka's got a long way to go if she wants, to reach them levels. 15 years Andre the Giant was undefeated. Asuka, the Empress of Tomorrow, is the streak queen. She is the longest undefeated WWE superstar of all time. I'm guessing they're not counting, obviously, WWF or WWWF as it used to be known back in the 1970s. So, yeah, man, so cool. This magazine is just rammed full of competitions. There's even an exclusive interview in here with Roman Reigns. Should we find it? I'll tell you what he said. Hang on, give me a second.
A few moments later. A few moments later.
Here we go, guys. There's the exclusive interview with Roman Reigns. He says, this is cool. How about this, right? So, this is what he said about retiring The Undertaker. It was a great honour and a very special match for me. I learned so much from being in the ring with him. I just hope one day I can be on his level. That is very cool. That is a great quote, isn't it? So he's kind of saying, it was great for me, it was special for me. One day, I hope to be the legend that The Undertaker is. Feeding off the fans, you'll never hear me say, don't boo me, don't do this, don't do that. Just make noise. Just be into it, be rowdy, be in the moment. I like to feed off whatever the WWE Universe gives me. That is very cool. The big quote, though, look at this. How about that? I'm proud to have beaten John Cena. So you should be. So, yeah, man, look, so cool. Loads of stuff in here. And don't forget that awesome gift. So if you get a chance, if you see it in the newsagents, I do strongly recommend that you pick up your copy. Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. If you enjoyed the video, give it a like, hit the subscribe, all of that good stuff, and hopefully I'll see you again next time. Bye for now.